to Digital Storytime with the Huntington Beach Public Library. I'm Miss Akemi, and just like you, I'm staying at home, staying safe and healthy. All right, give me a wave, and another, and keep going. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm well, and I hope that you are too. Hola, 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 ¿y cómo estás? Muy bien, y espero tú también. Let's get started. What is today's story time about? It is about this. What is this? That's right, a ball. Now, can you curl your body up into a ball? Let's try. Like this, curl it up into a ball. Did you do it? Did you get smaller? Okay, you're ready for our first book. Sometimes I like to curl up in a ball by Vicki Churchill and Charles Fuge. Now, what animal is this? I didn't know what this animal was. It is a wombat. Can you help me learn this animal's name? Great. Okay, let's say wombat. Good. Now take your hands apart and let's clap it out. Wombat. Fantastic. Now take your arm out and your chopper and let's chop this word. Wombat. Good. Thank you for helping me learn that word. Wombat. Let's see what this wombat is going to do. All right. Sometimes I like to curl up in a ball so no one can see me because I'm so small. Okay, you ready to curl up in a ball? Let's do it. Curling up in a ball, curling up in a ball, curling up, curling up. Okay, let's see what happens next. Sometimes I like to jump high as I can to see how much noise I can make when I land. Are you ready for some jumping? Me too. Let's do 10 jumps. 10 jumps on the count of 3. Let's see if I can hold the book too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was a lot of jumps. Sometimes I like to scream ever so loud. Not that I'm cross, I just like how it sounds. Let's see, does the butterfly like how it sounds? I'm not sure. Sometimes I like to just walk round and round. I pigeon step till I fall down. Are you ready to fall down? Just fall down? Okay, let's count to 3 and fall down together. 1, 2, 3. Fall down! Let's see where this wombat goes. I'm going to have to turn my book. Can you help me? Sometimes I like to stand still as a tree and watch everyone rush around about me. Can you stand as still as a tree? Let's try. Let's try to stand still for 3 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Did you do it? Good, I did too. Now let's count all the wombat friends and the wombat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there another friend? Let's see. 10. Good job. Oh, we need to turn the book around. Can you help me out? Thank you. Sometimes I like to poke out my tongue. We have to do this one. Ba. Or make funny faces. Now that can be fun. On the count of 3, make your funniest face. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Sometimes I like to get in a real mess with mud on my feet and my hands and my chest. What is all this brown stuff? Is it chocolate? No. Is it mud? Yes. Good listening. Sometimes I like to run ever so fast. I sometimes come first, but I sometimes come last. Can you get your running arms out? Running and faster and faster. Good. Let's see where the wombat goes. But when the day ends and the sun starts to fall, then I do what I do best of all. I find somewhere soft, somewhere cozy and small. And that's where I like to curl up in a ball. Let's do our last curl up into a ball. Curl up into a ball, curl up into a ball. Fantastic. And the end. Sometimes I like to curl up in a ball. Are you ready for the secret box? Yes? Okay. This is a box and this is a lid. I wonder whatever inside is hid. Do you want to know what's inside? I do. Oh, it's round. Oh, you can play games with it. You can throw it, catch it, you can kick it. Did you guess? That's right, a ball, a ball. Whoop, we have a few here. We have a white ball with holes. We have a blue, that's right, a blue ball. And a yellow one. Good job. Now, should we make a ball? Right now? Let's do it. All you need is leftover paper around your house. Newspapers, ads that come in the mail, all paper you're going to throw in the trash. We're going to recycle these papers. So would you want to use a new white sheet of paper? No. We want to use paper that you're going to throw away. So I take my first piece of paper and I crunch it up into a ball. Then I take my second paper and I put the ball right in the middle and I crunch it up again into a ball. And then I take another paper and I do the same exact thing. I put the ball in the center and I crunch it up in a ball. And you can use as many pieces of paper as you want. I'm going to use 2 more. I take this piece of newspaper, again I put the ball there, I crunch it up in a ball. You really want to squeeze the paper, crunch it up into the shape of a ball and get it as round as you can. And one more in the center, and then crunch it up into a ball. And we almost have a paper ball made just from paper you were going to throw away in the trash so that you can, voila, toss it up and have your paper ball. And that's it. Okay, next. This ball reminds me of a rhyme about a ball. Are you ready? Okay, we have to get our moves down. We have to practice first. First, get your arms straight up and around for a great big ball. Just like that. Now take your hands and make a medium ball. Good. And now take one hand and make a small ball. Very good. Let's do it again. One great big ball, a medium ball, and a small ball. Okay, you're ready. Let's start on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. A great big ball, a medium ball, a small ball that I can see. Let's see if we can count them. 1, 2, 3. Give yourselves a clap. Let's do it again, but just a little faster. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. A great big ball, a medium ball, a small ball I can see. Let's see if we can count them. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Are you ready to go turbo fast? Let's do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. A great big ball, a medium ball, a small ball I can see. Let's see if we can count them. 1, 2, 3. I hope you did better than me. Okay, give yourselves a clap. I think we're ready for our last book. This book is called On Top of Spaghetti by Tom Glazer. And I want you to keep your eyes open for a ball in this book, but it's a different kind of ball. Also, this book is over 50 years old. Over 50 years old. Here we go. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! Can you say achoo? It rolled off the table. Now I want you to take your hand and I want you to make a rolling motion. And onto the floor. Where is it going? And then my poor meatball rolled out the door. Get your rolling hand going. Rolling, where's it going? It rolled in the garden, so we're rolling still. And under a bush, can you take your hand and make a dive under? Good, let's do that one more time. Under a bush. Where is this meatball going? And then my poor meatball was nothing but mush. Oh no, it's not round anymore. Can you say, oh no? The mush was so tasty could be. Take your hand and put it on your tummy. Mmm. And early next summer, it grew into a, let's see, tree. The tree was all covered with beautiful moss. It grew lovely meatballs and tomato sauce. Have you ever seen a tree with tomato sauce cans? I haven't either. So if you eat spaghetti all covered with cheese, hold on to your meatball. Hold on to your meatball. And be sure not to sneeze. The end. Well, it's time to go. Thank you for coming to Storytime, and I want you to stay safe, and healthy. I'm Miss Akemi. Can you get your arms up? Goodbye, my friends. I will see you soon. See you soon. Yes, I'll see you soon. Goodbye, my friends. I will see you soon on another Storytime day. Goodbye. Adios. Sayonara.